My name's Zack. I drive a 2014 Chevy Camaro SS.
What kind of modifications have you made to your car?
Aside from visual modifications, I have long tube headers, intake, throttle body, a street tune, and that's pretty much it, aside from some visuals.
What influenced you to want to be part of the car community?
That's going to be a tough one. I think when you hit a point, like for me I hit a point in my life where everything I looked around was negative, and the car kind of fell. I ran across it by accident, and so I got to see like a couple of members from the HeadTurners, and they were just doing positive things, doing charities, doing a lot of things, and it drew me to want to be into something more positive than what I was currently going through. So that kind of drew and the more I got into it, the more I just took off with it. So.
All right, how did you hear about the Utah HeadTurners?
I wanted to ride and do more drives with people, and so I joined a Camaro Coalition of Utah on Facebook, and they posted that they were going to do a drive, so through Nebo Loop out in Salt Lake, I think. Went on a cruise and I met a couple members from HT out there, and they told me kind of what they did and what they were about. I wanted to try it and never look back.
What has been your favorite moment being a head turner?
That's a tough one. There's a lot of cruises, there's a lot of things we do. I think my favorite is I guess being a father is doing the things for the kids. I want to share we can do simple things by just pulling up with a car that, you know, sounds good or looks good. It doesn't have to have a lot of money into it, if you keep it clean. Some of these kids, I mean, the smiles they get just from driving up and revving a motor up. That's the kind of stuff that I like, and so when we do cruises or little things like the Cruise for Karma event, huge event, but to see how it unfolded, and all I did was show up, and see how it unfolded and how it affected that family, and then the Cars for Kids event we just did, that was, it's just, those are the ones that I think I like the most. They affect me the most. So.
If you could trade your car for any other member's car to be your daily driver, which would it be and why?
If I could trade my car in, it would be for Christopher Burton's, because I think every Camaro owner who owns anything less than a Camaro ZL11LE wants the Camaro ZL11LE, and me being a Camaro guy, that's the Camaro, so that's the one I want.